how to bold text in LinkedIn post in mobile. So if you want to bold text in LinkedIn post in your mobile, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your LinkedIn. In my case, I have that on my browser. So once you're here on your browser, you just need to simply go with the post. You will have a plus icon on the bottom middle. Tap on it and then share your thoughts. Like for example, if I write something, then I don't have a bold text right here. So in order to get the bold text, you just need to simply go with the new tab, and all you need to search for YayText. After searching, here you will have bold or italics, small caps, styles and everything. So you just need to simply go and select any style that you're comfortable with. So you can go with the text, enter the text right here. After entering the text here, you will have bolds, any bold that you're comfortable with. You can simply select anyone. For example, I'll go with the first one. Now here on the right side, you will have copy. Tap on copy. Once it has been copied, you can go back to your tab and here you can paste it. And that's it. Now you can go with post, and in this way you'll be able to bold text in LinkedIn post in your mobile. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.